Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word verdant. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is verdant. Let's break it down. First, we have VUR, which rhymes with fur and has a soft R sound. Next, we have DNT, which sounds like DNT in distant, with a quick, almost silent T at the end. Now, let's put it all together. Verdant. Try repeating after me. Verdant. Now a little faster. Verdant. And at full speed, verdant. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Verdant refers to something green and lush, especially when describing vegetation or a landscape rich with plants. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce verdant and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.